Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change currency in AliExpress. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change currency in AliExpress. Maybe because you just moved to another country and now you want to change the currency. Or maybe you just want to get an idea that how much a particular thing will cost in another currency, so you want to check it and you want to change the currency at AliExpress and you don't know how to do it. So don't worry, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the AliExpress app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account on your device. After that, just simply tap on the icon of the AliExpress to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. We have a lot of products on our screen. At the top we have some options and at the below we have some options. So if you want to purchase any one of these products, you can purchase it, but along with that you could see this is the currency written. This is the price of the product written with every product. Right now the currency that is selected is Canadian dollar, so we will see how we can change it. At the bottom you could see we have these 5 options, and from these options you have to select this right option, which is a profile icon. You just have to tap on it and then you will get here you will again found a bunch of options, and from all these options you have to select on the settings option, which is in the top right of the screen. There are 3 options. You have to select this middle one, which is a settings icon. Just simply tap on it and then we will get into the settings of the account. There you will see we have a lot of options available. So from all these options we have to select an option which will guide us to change to the currency. So for that we have this option which says currency, and you can see the Canadian dollar has been selected. So we will see how we can change it. Once you tap on it, you will see all the currencies available will appear here. You can find currency of your choice by typing its name on the search icon bar, or you can just swipe your fingers and can find the currency of your choice. Right now I'm going with the British pound, therefore I'm tapping on it, and there you can see the currency has been changed. And now once we will get back the product currency, you could see the price of the products will be changed from Canadian dollar to the British pound. As you can see, the currency has been changed. Likewise, you can also change the currency on AliExpress from any currency to your choice of currency. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change the currency on AliExpress. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.